Published in 1884, Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is often hailed as the great American novel. Set in the Mississippi River Valley in the mid-19th century, the story is narrated by Huckleberry Finn, a young boy who escapes his abusive father and embarks on a journey down the Mississippi River with Jim, an escaped enslaved man. Their raft journey down the river serves as the backdrop for Huck's moral awakening. Twain employs a vernacular realism, using Huck's first-person perspective to satirize the hypocrisy of civilized society. The novel explores themes of freedom, friendship, and moral growth while criticizing the era's social norms and racial prejudices. It is known for its vivid depiction of life along the Mississippi River and its use of regional dialects. The story opens with Huck's abusive, alcoholic father, Pap, who returns to town after hearing about a sum of money Huck had previously found. Pap kidnaps Huck and takes him to a remote cabin. Tired of his father's abuse and confinement, Huck fakes his own death and escapes to Jackson's Island. On Jackson's Island, Huck encounters Jim, Miss Watson's enslaved man, who has run away after overhearing he is about to be sold. Huck is initially conflicted about helping Jim because society has taught him that aiding a runaway is wrong. However, Huck decides to protect Jim, and the two form a close bond as they travel together on a raft down the Mississippi River. Huck and Jim's journey is marked by a series of encounters and adventures that reveal the moral complexities of the world around them. Early on, they come across a wrecked steamboat and narrowly escape a group of dangerous robbers. Huck also disguises himself as a girl to gather information in a nearby town, where he learns that people are searching for both him and Jim. As they continue their journey, Huck and Jim are joined by two con artists, the Duke and the King, who claim noble descent. The pair engages in various schemes to swindle unsuspecting townspeople, dragging Huck and Jim into their deceit. One of their most elaborate cons involves impersonating the long-lost brothers of a recently deceased man to steal his inheritance. Huck, disgusted by their actions, works to expose their lies and return the money to the rightful heirs. Throughout the journey, Huck wrestles with his conscience about Jim. Raised in a society that accepts slavery, Huck initially believes he is doing wrong by helping Jim escape. Yet his growing friendship with Jim challenges these beliefs. Jim's kindness, wisdom, and humanity lead Huck to question the morality of the social norms he has been taught. In a pivotal moment, Huck writes a letter to Miss Watson, intending to reveal Jim's whereabouts. He ultimately tears it up, declaring, "All right, then I'll go to hell." This marks a turning point in Huck's moral development, as he chooses his personal sense of right and wrong over societal expectations. As they approach Jim's goal of reaching freedom in the Free States, the Duke and the King betray him, selling Jim to a local farmer. Huck learns that Jim is being held at the Phelps farm, which belongs to Tom Sawyer's relatives. Huck pretends to be Tom, and when Tom arrives, Huck pretends to be his brother, Sid. Tom, ever the romantic and adventurous schemer, devises an elaborate, unnecessary plan to free Jim, inspired by the adventure novels he loves. Despite Huck's practical suggestions, Tom insists on following his complicated plan, which includes digging tunnels, sending anonymous letters, and other theatrics. During the escape, Tom is shot in the leg, and Jim sacrifices his chance at freedom to ensure Tom receives medical attention. As the novel ends, Jim's freedom is now legally recognized, and Huck is relieved to learn that his abusive father has died, leaving him free from his control. Huck rejects the idea of being civilized by Aunt Sally, who offers to adopt him. He decides to head west, seeking freedom and adventure on his terms. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn offers a profound examination of the struggle for moral autonomy in a corrupt society. Twain's aim was to deconstruct the romanticized South and expose the inherent cruelty of slavery. Technically, the novel's most outstanding achievement is its linguistic authenticity. Twain meticulously captured regional dialects, moving beyond the stiff, formal prose of his contemporaries to create a truly American literary voice. The book's contemporary relevance is widely debated. While it remains a powerful tool for discussing the history of American racism, its use of racial slurs prompts modern interpretations that question whether Twain entirely escaped the prejudices of his time. Today, it is often taught alongside modern critiques to analyze the evolution of American identity. Since its publication, the book has been celebrated for its exploration of complex themes, including racism, morality, and the conflict between societal expectations and personal conscience. Huck's journey down the Mississippi River is both a literal and a symbolic quest for freedom as he and Jim navigate the challenges of a deeply flawed society. Huck's story is one of growth, self-discovery, and the courage to challenge societal norms in pursuit of what is right.